Hello po, Ma'am Ana. Happy 3 months po. Bumalik ka dito. Gusto mo po. Sayang po, Ma'am Ana. Happy 3 months po. Naiiyan mo lang po siguro kayo.
May pera ba dyan?
Narito po kami ang exciting part ng surprise para ipaabot po sa inyo ang sorpresa at pagmamahal ng aming sender na medyo paano ang news ko. Ulaan din na lang daw po kasi siya. Ako na po nabasa niyo yung mga kasahin. So ito po, dahil po meron po kayong dahil po meron din po kayong cake. And then po ipapabang po namin na lahat mamaya. Babasahin ko po muna sa inyo. So yun, thank you for being kind, thoughtful, and caring partner throughout our relationship. You are my constant source of love, laughter, and support. You make my life so much better, and I'm forever grateful for you. Thank you for being okay with who I am and for loving every single part of me. You have changed me for the better, and you are the person that aspired to be. That is one of the reasons why I love you so much. I'm not as sweet and prepared as you are when it comes to surprises, but I hope you like me. Here's to many more months of crazy memories with you, baby. Happy 10 months of love, baby girl, from your backup dancer.